Let's unbox this outdoor garden bird bath. My first impression is it looks nice and sturdy, really strong, rigid material. Really nice. The stake is metal and it comes separated. Just screw it tightly together so it stays nice and sturdy. 4 screws are included in the package, so I'll use my screwdriver to attach my stake to my bowl. Now it's nice and secure. Look at how nice this material looks. I love it. I'm going to place it right here in the ground. This is where my birds frequent. Their feeder is just a few feet away, so I'm putting the bird bath close by so they can have access to it. This is a large bird bath. It's 14 by 10. The oval shape is 14 by 10 and it holds up to 2 inches of water. So this is the perfect size bird bath. The oval shape makes it a little more convenient for more bird to fit on it, and the ledge is wide enough. The birds love the water when it's about 1.5 inch, so that's where I keep mine. Overall, it's a nice size. It's big enough to fit a small fountain, and the birds are loving it, and it looks good in the yard.